In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Jira with GitHub, and we'll do this in just 5 minutes. Connecting these platforms can significantly streamline your workflow and enhance collaboration in your projects. By integrating Jira, a robust project management tool, with GitHub, a popular version control platform, you can create a seamless process to track issues and monitor code changes effectively. So let's get started and guide you through this integration step by step. First, we need to navigate to Jira. Open your web browser and log into your Jira account. Once you're logged in, you'll want to head over to the Your Work page. This page serves as the starting point for accessing your various projects and tasks. It's intuitive and you can quickly find what you're looking for. After arriving on this page, you can see all the projects you are involved with. Now it's time to select the project you wish to connect with GitHub. Just browse through the list of projects and choose the one that you are looking to integrate. This step is crucial because you want to ensure that the integration is specific to the right project you're working on, allowing you to link relevant repositories and branches. With your project selected, the next step is to dive into the project settings. Look for the project settings option. It might be located on the left-hand sidebar depending on your version of Jira. Clicking on project settings opens up more detailed options about managing various aspects of your project. This is where you can tailor certain functionalities and integrations to suit your project's requirements. In the project settings menu, you'll want to locate the toolchain option and click on it. The toolchain section is designed for managing integrations and connecting your development tools with your project management software. It's especially useful if you have several different tools and want to make sure they all communicate and work well together. Once you're inside the toolchain section, you should see an option for GitHub for Jira. This is the integration app that allows Jira to communicate with GitHub. Clicking on GitHub for Jira will direct you to a page where you can initiate the integration process. This option is specifically built to help you track GitHub commits, branches, and even pull requests directly from Jira. Proceed to click on the Get It Now button. This will prompt you to install the integration app, so just follow the on-screen instructions. At this point, you're essentially setting up the bridge between Jira and GitHub, and it's pretty straightforward. The process might prompt you to log in or authenticate your GitHub account if you haven't already. This is simply to ensure that only authorized users can connect these platforms and access repositories. Following the successful authentication, your installation will likely confirm once the integration is in place. The integration is nearly complete at this stage, and you'll be able to connect Jira issues with GitHub code updates seamlessly. It's highly beneficial because now you can collaborate more efficiently, as developers can transition between managing tasks and reviewing code without leaving their primary workspace. One thing to remember is the seamless flow this integration enables. Developers can reference Jira issues in their GitHub commits. This means that whenever part of the code base addresses a task within Jira, it gets linked so everyone can understand which code affects which issue. This integration will not only save you time, but improve the transparency and traceability of your projects. Having updates from both platforms in one place makes it much easier to coordinate with team members, especially if your team is distributed or working remotely. You'll also have the advantage of visualizing progress more clearly, which can be particularly useful for stakeholders or non-technical team members who are keeping track of the project's development. And there you have it, the process of connecting Jira with GitHub, wrapped up in a few simple steps. Remember, integrating these services can significantly optimize your workflow, enhancing both productivity and collaboration across teams. It brings together project management with development efforts, reducing the friction between planning and execution, while ensuring everyone stays on the same page. If you have any questions about the process, or run into any challenges while setting up this integration, feel free to leave a comment, and I'll be more than happy to help. Thank you for watching, and happy integrating.